Hello everyone, welcome to Candi Sumberawan, one of the most unique cultural tourism destinations in East Java. Today we will explore a place where nature, history, and spirituality come together. Unlike crowded tourist attractions, Candi Sumberawan is a special interest destination. Visitors come here to enjoy a deeper cultural experience and a peaceful atmosphere. This area is managed by Perhutani and is surrounded by lush forests. The fresh air and natural scenery create a calm environment for visitors.
Before the temple was built, a natural spring had already existed here. For centuries, it has been an important source of water and life for local communities. Because of its importance, the spring became more than just a water source. It also developed into a place with cultural and spiritual significance. Even today, many people visit this spring for cultural and spiritual purpose. This tradition reflects the strong connection between local communities and their heritage.
To protect its culture value, the area is not heavily commercialized. Its management focus on protecting its natural beauty, culture heritage, and spiritual atmosphere. Here we can see Candi Sumberawan, the main icon of this destination. Is it now the only Buddhist stupa shaped temple in East Java, making it unique and valuable cultural heritage site. What makes Candi Sumberawan truly special is the combination of nature, culture, and spiritual in one place. For travelers seeking authentic culture experience this destination over a meaningful journey through history and local heritage. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you again on another culture adventure. Thank you.
Let us preserve and appreciate our cultural heritage for future generations.
Because every cultural site tells a story and reflects the identity of its people.
Thank you for joining our journey at Candi Sumberawan. We hope to see you again at another cultural destination in Indonesia.
Thank you.
Thank you.